Hi and welcome to Your Secure Locksmiths. Your Secure Locksmiths are a locals-friendly business with only experienced and accredited engineers. Your Secure provide a professional 24-hour locksmith service. People need to use locksmiths for many reasons in emergency or non-emergency situations. Whatever your reason, you want to be fully assured and confident you are using someone who is credible, trustworthy and fairly priced. Your Secure will offer just that. We aim to reach you within half an hour for emergency situations and within 2 hours for the equally as important non-emergency situations. Whatever your locksmith requirements, from being locked out, moving house, office or just simply wish to upgrade your security, Your Secure are here to help you every step of the way. All it takes is just one phone call and we will take care of the rest. Our prices are the most competitive prices in the industry. We only charge for labour and parts. There are no hidden costs at any time, and 9 out of 10 times we will give you a fixed quote so you can have your mind at ease. So give us a call for an honest and competitive no obligation quote on 0333 77 20 452, or for more information visit our website www.yoursecurlocksmiths.co.uk. Your lock problem is our lock problem, quickly solved with our professional mobile service.